How to make in 10 minutes 10% by trading. The most important thing is timing. This video shows you in simple steps how to invest at the right moment. Have a look to the chart of the S&P 500. Actually, we have a positive day with more than 1%. The blue triangle is showing you the moment of buying a long position. Risk management. Do always activate after your trade immediately your stop limit. Otherwise you can lose too much money and you will cry and bite against the market. Then make a sell limit on top of the other candles. Now the S&P is going up. It is good to change the stop limit, because there is already a profit. That is saving you money, if there is a return of the candle. Have a look to the green candle. When pulsing from downside up, we can see, there is more buyer than seller at the moment. Keep calm and have a cup of tea for the next minute. Do not touch your computer. In a second, the stop limit can be tightened to the upper price. That will increase the profit when the candle comes back. By the way, a green candle represents a higher price than the prior candles. In practice, any color can be assigned to rising or falling price candles. A candlestick need not have either a body or a wick. Generally, the longer the body of the candle, the more intense the trading. In a second, the stop limit can be tightened again to the upper price. So profit will be more high and also your personal happiness. Do not do that too often and too close to the low side of the candle. The risk of selling too early is given and you will pull out your nice hair. If a very long candle comes up in the minute chart, pay attention and do not risk your money. If you don't know the reason for that reaction. Why is it important to check the calendar of the world stock market? When, for example, the Fed will give some news, then long candles can affect the situation. Nice, the candle is going higher again. Depending of the trading software, there is an order option called tailing stop. When the price is moving up, the stop order will follow automatically. That is a good thing, if you keep running the order overnight. Make sure that your broker will deal 24 hours the S&P 500 during the weekdays. If you do that, you will see that you cannot sleep very well. Your mind will always be informed about the actual price. That's why keep going to find a trade and close on the same day. Alright, the order is done and the profit is booked. Right now the chart is unstable at this price level. Wait a little bit, in which direction the market is going. Just keep watching and do not start gambling. Because the risk of lose money is given, when you have no time to enjoy the profit. Notice, greed eats brain. Have a successful time of trading. Thank you for give a good ranking to this video. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.